Hi, I'm going to be going through an intake application. This process is designed for new developments and projects within the company. It will ask project and business questions, server and software information. So to start the process, I log into Autocene and open my intake application. Once the intake application is loaded in, you can see there are fields that are highlighted. All of the fields that are highlighted with the red asterisk must be completed before submission. The system will not allow the user to submit the process without these being entered in. For example, if I try to submit, I will get a notice that says make sure that all required fields are filled out and that the input data is in the correct format. This intake process also has other tabs, server tabs, other servers, and help. The servers is where the user can enter in any servers that are needed for this process. It also has a server template. This will cut down on time that the user needs to fill this information in. For example, if I select the Windows default, information is preloaded in. I can also edit this information or add information that needs to be added. I can add servers, I can delete the server information. The other servers are just out of scope. If I needed to add other information, other host names, other database servers, or additional comments. The Help tab just explains what all of this information is. Once I've filled out all of my information on the intake and I'm ready to submit, I submit the process. The system will ingest all of the information that I've entered in and create a PDF document through Autocene's Passport software. This then can be emailed, printed, submitted to accounting, HR, IT. Here's what the PDF looks like. It's just a simple format with all of the information that has been entered in by the user. There's no buttons, just the information. On top of the main intake application, there is an intake report. The report allows the user to pull back information that has been submitted. The email could have been lost, the PDF could have been lost. You need to pull back that information and resend it out to users. You need to make sure that the information was submitted correctly. This report allows that information to be pulled back and manipulated how you need it to be. And I'm going to show you what that looks like right now. As you can see, there are a list of the intakes that I've entered in just through demoing, and here I can see all of the date that has been submitted, the program names, the program years, all of that information. If I needed a little bit more, I can select the intake number. For example, if I select 9924, I'm going to see what was entered in. At this point, I can print, I can create a PDF, I can see all of the information that has been entered in. So if I've lost my email, if I've lost the original PDF, I can pull this information in through the report and recreate all of that PDF or the Excel document or anything that we have connected to this process. In summary, this intake application allows the users to fill out all of the required information, make sure there's no material missing, create quick and efficient intakes that allow the data to be pulled back immediately, create PDFs and reports of data that has been submitted.